Welcome. Today we will be walking you through imaging an Apple Silicon Mac Live with RECON ITR, version 26.0. Let's dive right in. First, we need to grant RECON ITR full disk access. Open System Settings, navigate to Privacy and Security. Then click the Full Disk Access tab. Next, simply drag the RECON ITR application directly into the Allowed Applications list. Next, return to the Live partition. Launch the RECON ITR application, and we will enter the admin password of your computer. Once you are on the home screen for RECON ITR, select RECON Imager and click Start. On the Disk Manager screen, select Disk Imager. Select your source disk from the list displayed. Always prioritize the APFS container when it is available, or the user's data partition when it is not. Next, choose your image type from the drop-down. For optimal imaging speed, we'll choose Apple Sparseimage. Move down to the Case Details section of RECON Imager and fill in your specific image details. When your details are all filled in, select Start Imaging at the bottom to see the confirmation screen. Review your settings, then select Continue to begin imaging. Your imaging progress will be displayed clearly on the screen, and you'll be notified once your image has completed successfully. Thanks for watching. Make sure to follow us for more tips, and visit SUMURI.com for a demo or quote.